Imagine a weapon that travels at the speed of light. No missiles, no explosions. Just a powerful beam of energy that can destroy drones and rockets in seconds. This is the laser weapon, and it may be the future of modern warfare. In the growing tensions between Iran, Israel, and the United States, laser defense systems are becoming one of the most important military technologies of the 21st century. What are laser weapons? Laser weapons are part of a technology called directed energy weapons. Instead of firing bullets or missiles, these systems release high-energy laser beams that focus intense heat on a target. When the beam hits a drone, rocket, or missile, it heats the surface until the structure melts, burns, or explodes. And the most amazing part, the beam travels at the speed of light. That means interception happens almost instantly. Israel's laser defense system. Israel is currently leading the world in operational laser defense technology with a system called Iron Beam. This high-energy laser system is designed to destroy rockets, artillery, shells, drones and short-range missiles. The Iron Beam works as part of Israel's multi-layered defense system, alongside Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow missile systems. Unlike traditional interceptors that cost tens of thousands of dollars, laser interceptions cost only a few dollars per shot. This makes laser defense incredibly powerful against large drone attacks. Why laser weapons matter in the Iran conflict. Modern conflicts in the Middle East have seen a huge increase in missile and drone attacks. Iran and its allied groups have used large numbers of cheap drones and rockets in warfare. But traditional defense systems have a big problem. A single interceptor missile can cost $50,000 to $1 million. So shooting down hundreds of drones becomes extremely expensive. Laser weapons solve this problem. Instead of launching expensive missiles, a laser system can fire repeatedly with almost unlimited ammunition. Recent reports indicate that laser weapon systems have already been used to intercept drones and missiles during regional conflicts involving the United States and Israel. Israel has also tested the Iron Beam laser system in real interception scenarios, successfully destroying aerial threats in midair. This marks a major step toward a new era of energy-based warfare. Advantages of laser weapons. Laser defense systems have several powerful advantages. Speed. The beam travels at the speed of light. Precision. The laser can hit very small targets like drones. Cost efficiency. Each shot costs far less than a missile. Unlimited ammunition. As long as there is power, the weapon can keep firing. However, laser weapons are not perfect. They still face several challenges. Limited range, reduced effectiveness in rain, fog, or dust. Difficulty stopping large ballistic missiles. Because of this, lasers will not replace missile defense systems completely. Instead, they will work together with them. The future of warfare. Military experts believe laser weapons will soon become a key part of defense systems around the world. Countries including the United States, Israel, China, Russia, the United Kingdom are all investing heavily in directed energy weapons. In future battlefields, we may see a world where missiles are stopped not by explosions, but by beams of light. The age of laser warfare has already begun. And as conflicts evolve, the battle between drones, missiles, and laser defenses may define the future of modern war.